In the previous video, we have discussed the 5 applications of bamboo salt. Now we'll discuss the other 4 rest applications of bamboo salt in this video. 6. Role in curing hypertension. Bamboo salt has garnered attention for its potential role in managing hypertension, a condition characterized by persistently elevated blood pressure levels. Hypertension is a significant health concern worldwide, increasing the chances of cardiovascular diseases, stroke, and other related complications. However, the unique properties of bamboo salt, including its mineral content, can effectively control the disease. 7. Antimicrobial activity. Bamboo salt has gained attention for its potential antimicrobial properties, signifying its ability to inhibit the growth and activity of various microorganisms. The antimicrobial activity of bamboo salt was elevated using Salmonella enteritidis. The minimum inhibitory concentration (MIC) values against Salmonella enteritidis were determined to be 5% for bamboo salt. In contrast, other salt types did not display such potent MIC values at 5%. 8. Impact on dental care. Bamboo salt's distinct mineral composition, obtained through its intricate processing stages, is a key factor for contributing to its potential in dental care. Minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium are essential for maintaining strong teeth and promoting oral health. Results showed that the detritus with bamboo salt and positive control enhanced surface hardness and reduced mineral loss in these enamel lesions. 9. Resolve skin problems. The mineral-rich nature of bamboo salt offers a soothing effect on skin irritations such as itching, redness, and inflammation. In an experiment, scientists looked at how Bamboosate calius in liquamen, BCL from heated bamboo stems, can help with skin problems similar to atopic dermatitis. These results show that BCL can ease the symptoms and reduce inflammation connected to skin issues like atopic dermatitis. So if you've decided to embrace this essential mineral salt for culinary, therapeutic, and cleansing purposes, look no further than K-lava salt. Take that vital stride towards enhanced well-being by integrating K-lava salt into your daily routines today.